Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install DR browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser and visit drbrowser.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. This is the second browser from the browser company. It is basically an AI browser. To download it, simply scroll down and here you will find the option to download DR browser. Click on it and download the installer file. If download doesn't start automatically, then here we have an option to re-download it. Click on here, click on allow and download the file. Once downloaded, double click on the file. Here we have the installation window. To install the DR browser, simply drag the browser logo to Applications folder and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, close the window. If you want, you can also delete the package. Now to open it, click on Apps option. Look for DR browser, or else you can simply search for the browser and open it. Click on open. Now you will get a welcome screen. Here click on let's go. Enter your email. Then click on next. Now create a password. Then click on sign up. Now verify your email address by entering the code you have received in your mail. Now you will get a window to import data from another browser. Simply select the browser from where you want to import your browsing history. If you want, you can also skip this process. Now select your browser theme. Then click on next. Now click on next. After that, simply click on get start. If you get a prompt to change your default browser, simply select the option you like. And now you are ready to use DR browser on your Mac. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.